Price action trading strategy revolves around understanding how price moves on a chart without relying heavily on indicators, making it one of the simplest yet most powerful approaches for traders who want clarity and control. At its core, price action focuses on reading candlestick patterns, support and resistance zones, trend structure, and market behavior to make trading decisions based purely on what the market is showing in real time. A trader who follows price action observes how buyers and sellers interact, how momentum builds or weakens, and how price reacts at important levels instead of depending on lagging technical tools. This makes price action trading highly adaptable for all market conditions, whether trending, ranging, or consolidating. When traders learn to interpret market structure, they can identify higher highs, lower lows, pullbacks, and breakouts with confidence. These simple patterns provide insights into whether the market is controlled by buyers or sellers, helping traders decide when to enter or exit a trade. Candlestick formations like pin bars, engulfing candles, and inside bars further improve decision-making by highlighting potential reversals or continuations. Support and resistance levels also play a major role because they show where price has historically reacted, giving traders clues about where future movement may occur. By studying these reactions, traders can anticipate turning points and align themselves with the dominant trend instead of fighting against it. Another advantage of price action trading is its ability to filter noise, allowing traders to stay focused on clean, meaningful signals instead of getting overwhelmed by complicated charts. It encourages patience, discipline, and logical thinking, helping traders avoid emotional decisions that often lead to losses. Price action is also compatible with all time frames and markets, making it a universal method used by beginners and professionals alike. As traders gain experience, they learn how to combine multiple elements: trend direction, key levels, candlestick signals, and market context to create a complete trading plan that supports consistent performance. It also helps traders manage risk more effectively because entries and exits are clear and based on visible patterns rather than assumptions. Whether someone trades forex, stocks, indices, or binary options, price action provides a structured way to understand market psychology and react to what is actually happening instead of predicting blindly. Mastering price action takes practice, but it ultimately builds a stronger foundation for long-term success because it teaches traders to think like analysts rather than indicator-dependent beginners. This simplicity, clarity, and adaptability are what make price action trading strategy one of the most reliable and widely respected methods in the world of trading.